I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of 1 John chapter 3 and verse 23. The Bible says, "And this is his commandment, that we should believe on the name of his Son Jesus Christ and love one another as he gave us commandment." My brother, my sister, it is a commandment to believe on the name of his Son Jesus Christ and to love one another as he gave us commandment. This is where I want to stop at, my brother, my sister, and love one another as he gave us commandment. My brother, my sister, this is a commandment. Jesus has commanded you and I to love one another. If we go to the book of Mark chapter 12, and I'm reading from verse 29, this is Jesus speaking. It is the first of all. The first of all the commandment is, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one." Verse 30, "And you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind, and with all your strength. This is the first commandment." 31, "And the second like it is this, you shall love your neighbor as yourself." My brother, my sister, we have called to love one another. We need to love our neighbor. Who's our neighbor? A neighbor can be anyone. Can be a neighbor from another country, a neighbor from another nation, your next door neighbor. Jesus has called us and commanded us to love our neighbor as we love ourselves. As you love yourself, you will love your neighbor. If we go to the book of Matthew, chapter 22, and verse 37, Jesus is speaking here, says, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind." 38, "This is the first and great commandment." 39, "And the second is like it, you shall love your neighbor as yourself." My brother, my sister, you and I, we have to love our neighbor as we love ourselves. God has commanded us to love one another. Matthew 18 verse 33, Jesus is speaking here again. He says, "Should you not also have had compassion on your fellow servant, just as I had pity on you?" My brother, my sister, God, just as Jesus Christ has compassion and pity on us, so we have to have compassion and pity on our neighbor. Oh, my brother, my sister, Jesus is not asking us to love one another. It is a commandment that you and I love one another. Let us have compassion on people, my brother, my sister. Let us love our neighbor as we love ourselves.